Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create multiple product pages in Shopify, whether you are launching a new product line or just expanding your store. Creating separate product pages is super easy. Let's get started. First of all, let's log into your Shopify admin. Head over to shopify.com and log into your account. In your admin dashboard, click on products on the left sidebar. This will bring you to the product overview page where you can see all the products you have already added or where you can add new ones. Just click on new, click on add product, then enter title, description, then picture, category, select category, then price, then quantity, variants if you like this. Now let's add a new product like t-shirt. Here's where you can add all the important details about your product's title, description. Write a compelling description that explains what your product is, its benefits, and why customers should buy it. Images. Upload clear, high quality images of your product. You can add multiple images from different angles. You will also see options for price, inventory, shipping, and more. These are all important to fill out, but for now, let's keep going. Next, let's organize your product. Shopify allows you to categorize products using collections and tags. In the collection section, you can either choose an existing collection or create new one. This helps group your products by category like men's apparel or summer collection. Add tags that describe your product. For example, if you are selling a blue hoodie, you might tag it with terms like hoodie blue or casual wear. If your product has variants like different size or colors, Shopify makes it super easy to add them. To do this, scroll down from add product, select add options like size and color, size name, like delete it, and color, size, color, and then click save. Before we move on, let's quickly set up the SEO for your product page. Scroll down to the search engine listing preview section. Here you can edit the page title, meta description, and URL handle to make your product more discoverable in search engine. Try to include keywords that describe your product and are likely to be searched by your customers. This will help your product show up in Google and other search engine. Once you have filled out all the necessary information, it's time to publish your product. On top right corner, you will see the option either saved or publish. If you are ready to make your product live, click save. If you're not quite ready to it, click discard. And you can come back it come back to it later. If you are adding multiple products, just repeat the steps we have covered, like add product, then collections, and fill in the details. Each product will have its own dedicated page on your store. To make it easy for your customers to find all the products you have added, you can organize them into collections. Here's how. Go to online store from sales channel, then navigation from here. It only shows up to Pro Plan. Click on main menu or footer menu to add links to specific product collections. This will help your customers navigate your site more easily and find exactly what they are looking for. And that's it. You have now learned how to create multiple product pages in Shopify. It's really simple once you get the hang of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Drop any questions or suggestions for future videos in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.